let's talk about an exciting opportunity to immigrate to Canada. Those of you who are familiar with the express entry system know that sometimes it's a bit difficult to achieve high enough points in order to receive an invitation to apply and continue with your immigration procedures. The provincial government of Ontario is looking for those who speak both English and French at an intermediate level. The program requirements are pretty straightforward. So you need to have a bachelor's degree, so that's a university level degree, regardless where that education was obtained. You need to have 1 year of full-time paid work experience in a professional occupation, again, regardless where that work experience was obtained. You need to have an intermediate level of English, that's known as CLB level 6 or Canadian Language Benchmark level 6 or B1 in English. And then you need to have an upper intermediate level of French, so that's CLB level 7 or B2 in French. And that's about it. Other factors such as your age and other adaptability factors, they don't really affect you that much when it comes to this program, mainly because those who are successful in this program are able to receive 600 additional bonus points in the express entry system. So whatever your score was, after you complete this application, then you're going to go above the minimum requirements for the invitation to apply, and then you'll be able to proceed with your application. If you had a spouse, or if you're married, or if you have a common law partner, the spouse does not have to meet the same requirements, meaning only one of the two applicants become the principal applicant to meet the requirements of this program. And then a spouse, and if there are any children, then all of them are going to be included under one family application, as long as the children are unmarried and under the age of 22. When it comes to processing time for the provincial application, it takes around 2 to 3 months. And then after you receive your invitation to apply in the express entry system, you continue with the PR or the permanent residence process, which takes around 6 to 9 months, depends on where you're from. So then the total processing time is around 9 to 12 months, give or take, which is much faster than other immigration programs in Canada. And then you'll be able to achieve your permanent resident status here. Now, whether it is you think that you're qualified for this program and you want to start your process, or maybe you think that maybe you want to brush off on your English or your French or improve your language proficiency a bit, here you'll have two options. If you're not in a hurry to come to Canada, you can take some French or English courses back home. Or if you would like, you can come to Canada as a temporary resident first, and in order to take some English or French courses, part-time or intensive programs, or full-time even, until you achieve the right level of language proficiency to meet the requirements of the program, and then you can start your immigration procedures. So technically, you don't even have to be inside Canada to apply for this program. You can be outside Canada or inside Canada, your physical location, it doesn't really matter. So what do you do next? Well, if you think that you meet the requirements of this program, you can contact us and we can start with your application process. If you think that you still need to evaluate your language, or you're unsure about the requirements of this program and you want to get an in-depth assessment or a consultation, you can also contact us and we'll walk you through that. If you want us to put you in touch with one of our partner language schools in order for them to give you some sort of an assessment test for your language, if you would like to put us for us to put you in touch with a school for you to take some courses in Canada, or whatever it is, that thinking logic that you have at this point, feel free to contact us through our website or emails and whatever it is that is more convenient for you. And then we look forward to hearing from you very soon. Thank you.